Direct Attached Storage, DAS, is the storage installed in a server or external cabinet that is still connected directly to the server. DAS is the storage that's essentially captive to a particular server, so the server doesn't have to traverse a network to read and write data. DAS has been criticized as an inefficient way to connect storage to a server and as an obstacle to the data protection process. Storage that is locally attached can't be shared, which can lead to a situation where one server runs out of disk capacity while others have plenty to spare. Without shared storage, there's no way to balance capacity demands. DAS complicates the data protection process because each server needs to be backed up individually, and the data must be copied across the network. Alternatively, each server needs to have its own locally attached tape device and backup application, which would add even more complexity to the backup process. Shared storage in the form of a Storage Area Network, SAN, or Network Attached Storage, NAS, device was supposed to address these issues, and thus hasten the extinction of DAS. However, DAS is still a common method of attaching storage to a server. In fact, it has become more popular in recent years. DAS enacts as storage within the server, which means it enacts as a hard disk within the machine. Hence, there is no need of network search for read and write operations. The resurgence reached new heights in the year 2013, when EMC Corporation announced a PCI Express, PCIe-based solid-state storage product. A solid-state storage device is a data storage device using integrated circuit assemblies as memory to store data. This is designed to enable its networked storage systems to store some data locally on the server. This server can be set up on dedicated OS or on Windows OS. The type of setup is also used for IMOCM. IMOCM refers to the media server, where media files like video, audio, or image files are stored. This setup can only perform streaming, and it is incapable of performing and initiating file downloads. Now let's move on to discuss different access protocols in the next slide.